All right, let's save photos. Your iPad makes it really easy to save and download photos from pretty much any app. Let's say my friend texted me some photos and I want to save these for later. I can either tap that download button next to them, or I can tap and hold the photo and choose Save. Or I can open a photo in a full screen view like this and then use either the download button on the bottom right corner or do it through the Share button. I can tap Share to send this photo to someone, or simply use the Save Photo option here. The Messages app really gives you download buttons almost anywhere you look, but that tap and hold way of downloading is pretty universal, and it works in other apps as well. Let's say I'm browsing the internet and I come across a page where I want to save a photo. Same thing here. Tap and hold the photo, and then choose Save to Photos. Pretty self-explanatory, it goes straight into your Photos app. Let's do one more. Say I got an email and there's a photo I want to save. You guessed it, tap and hold, and then choose Save Image. The Mail app actually gives you an option to save this directly in the Files app as well. I guess because email would often contain attachments and files that are not photos, and you'd want them in the Files app instead. But for photos, you can choose to save either into the Photos app or into the Files app. And that's it. Just like anything on the iPad, this is super easy and relies on the same gesture system-wide, which makes it easy to remember. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.